Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love iced coffee all summer and I drink a lot, so I love to make it at home. And this iced coffee maker pitcher by Cupluw has been making it super easy to have iced coffee all the time. It's a glass container, which is very nice. The lid screws on really easily, it does not leak. The handle makes it very convenient to carry around and pour. And the little spout even comes to a little point, so it pours out very smoothly. The filter is very, very fine, so you don't have to worry about any grounds getting inside your coffee. I just fill that with some coffee grounds. I put it in my pitcher, I fill it with water, and the next morning I have delicious iced coffee. This is 64 ounces, which to me is the perfect amount for my iced coffee for one person. Lasts 2 to 3 days. I don't worry about my iced coffee going bad, but I always have some readily available when I want some. So if you're ready to make your own iced coffee at home, I highly recommend this pitcher. But that's just my point of view.